today's chief guest, MLA P. Prakash Rao garu. Guest of honor, Mr. Motesh Amalika, Ms. Ajmatullah Sahib, and Director, Correspondent of Shama Colony, Kalimuddin sir, Founder Director, Founder Corporate sir, TRS Group Leader, Mr. Satish Garu, Jitendra Garu, Hockey Association President, Rangareddy District, Mr. Bhaskar Reddy Garu, Founder President of Sri Gayatri Group of Schools, Mr. Nagaraj Garu, Journal in charge, Sri Gayatri Group of Schools, Central Office in charge, Mrs. Prasanna Garu, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the annual function of Sri Gayatri School, Shama Colony. This is the second annual function we are celebrating. Last year only we have started this school in this area. We got tremendous response and we have last year 10th batch. After running school for 12 months, we got excellent result. Last year from this area we got 9.3 GPA. That was a very good result in this area. So we have started schools 12 years back. The first school we have started in Sangareddy, Medak district, with minimum strength of 145 students. After giving coaching for one academic year, we got tremendous response from parents. We got the next academic year 800 strength. We have introduced spoken English, IIT foundation classes. We used to teach every Sunday the IIT mathematics, physics and chemistry. So later on we have started schools at Karimnagar, Medchal, Parhi, Talwakoti, Mahamad district, like that in different areas. We are running schools. Right now, we are running with 14 branches toward Telangana state. In the last 3 years, if you observe the result in medicine foundation, in medicine, we got 8 MBBS ranks within the span of these 3 academic years. You know very well, for getting seat into MBBS, it is very difficult. In order to do private school, private college means we have to spend around 120, nearly 1 crore, 20 lakhs we have to expend. So we got free seats for 8 members. Similarly, even in JEE also, IIT also, one student got admission in NIT. That is also remarkable achievement. Last year, in many branches, we got even 10 by 10 ranks also. So this all success is coming by the hard work of our teachers. This hard work comes from the experience of the directors. We are working for the last 25 years. Already we have worked in many corporate colleges. We have system. We have developed a system that will run in a smooth and systematic manner. So even for the ordinary students also, for slow learners also, by observing this, by reading, by following, definitely students will come up with flying colors. So once again, I thank for coming and doing success for this program. For all the members, thank you very much. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Your thought-provoking address set a perfect platform for our school. Now, I would like to call Samira of 5th standard to deliver a speech in Telugu. Please come on, guys, Samira. Please put your hands together for Samira. To present the preamble of school's achievement and events, that is the annual school report.
Good evening, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I heartily welcome you all for my second annual day function. Respected chief guests, Honorable Chairman Srinivasa, President Nagaraj Sir, Donor in charge Principal Madam
Please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself, Bashiruddin, I am studying in 5th standard. I heartily welcome you all for our second annual day function. Respected chairman, sir, chief guest, guest of honor, corresponding sir, principal, administrator, sir, and all my teachers, respected parents, and all my friends. Today we all gathered here to celebrate our annual day. And I would like to express my views on annual day program. This is a great day for all of us as we receive the best in different categories, culture programs and any other events. Annual day is a day where we will remember all our school memories throughout our life. It's a great pleasure to be a part of this event. I would like to wish all the best to my friends for their achievements throughout the year. Meeting and partying is a game of life, but proving ourselves a better result is a target of life. I would like to continue my speech here once again. I would like to thank all my teachers for improving me in all aspects. Thank you.
Guest of honor, Mr. M. Jitendra, President TS Hova, to give some golden words.
सभी के नमस्कार। इस मंच पर उपस्थित श्री गायत्री टेक्नो स्कूल चेयरमैन श्रीनिवासन जी और मेरा साथी सतीश जी और इस स्कूल का चेयरमैन प्रिंसिपल कलील साहब और बाकी के मेरा मित्र और मुख्तार, बाकी के सभी इधर आए सभी बच्चों की माँ को मेरा नमस्कार। बहुत बड़ी खुशी की बात है, आज सेकंड एनुअल डे फंक्शन हमारी गायत्री स्कूल्स वाले अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया ऑर्गेनाइज किए। मैं इन लोगों को बधाई देता हूँ। और हमारे देश में तालीम बहुत कम है, तालीम के लिए ज़्यादा अपन गौर नहीं दिए। हमारे देश में, हमारे स्टेट में 60% 60 लोग पढ़ रहे हैं आजकल, 40 लोग पढ़े नहीं हैं अभी। इसलिए हर काम में, हर मुकाम पर अपना पीछे हो रहे हैं। बाकी के देश तालीम के लिए आगे हैं, इसलिए वो देश आगे जा रहे हैं। और अपना तेलंगाना और आंध्र स्टेट था इससे पहले, यहाँ पे 60% पढ़ाई वाले हैं, बाकी के नहीं पढ़ते। बड़ी दुर्भाग्य की चीज़ है। हमारे प्यारे बहना बहुत सारे आए, आज कोई यहाँ पे पुरुष नहीं दिख रहे हैं। मैं एक हमारे हमारे बहनों से एक रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, लड़कियों को पढ़ाइए आप लोग। आप लड़कियों को, एक लड़की अगर पढ़ाएंगे घर पूरा एजुकेशन आएगा। मर्द से हट कर क्यों बोलो तो जो लड़का रहता है वो बाहर जाके काम करता और पैसा कमाता हो, मगर लड़की क्या है, घर में रहने में तालीम हासिल करो तो घर पूरा